let us take our next problem, in which the distance x of a particle moving in one dimension under the action of constant force. Here we have a particle that is moving at distance x in one dimension and is acting with a constant force. So there is no actual relationship of this force, because the force is acting constant on this particle, so and is related to time t by the equation that is t is equal to root x plus 3, where x is in meters, time is in seconds, and you have to find the displacement of the particle when its velocity is 0. So let us take this problem. Now you have given that the equation for time by this value t is equal to root of x plus 3. Now you can directly calculate this value of x by interpreting the terms here given in this equation, and you just simply square both sides and you get the equation for this position, or you can say distance of the particle is given by this equation. Now you have to find the velocity. So you all know that the velocity is what? Rate of change of displacement with respect to time. So you can directly find this velocity by simply differentiating this value of displacement. And when you have when also you have given that you have to find the displacement of the particle when its velocity is 0. So we will find the value by simply putting v is equal to 0 in this equation. Then you get the time mainly here, and you all have to do this so you can find the time related to this function. So next, once you have find it this time, you can directly put this value time in the equation for the displacement, and you can find the displacement is come out to be 0 when the velocity